We're gonna grows to one glass only. Blades of Glory, what's up? But seriously, the Rocky Mountain mural has one solid piece of glass for the entire sky. So we either Jay-Z this BZ and do it in one take, or we're about to waste a big old chunk of glass. When I work with a piece that has a number of difficult areas to cut out, I triage it by cutting out the worst one first. Because if it fails, you're not wasting your time on everything else first. But if it succeeds, you've built up your confidence to finish the rest of it. Oh, if you don't know what foreshadowing looks like in stained glass, please take notes. Woof. Yeah, that didn't take long. Actually, I'm thinking this might be salvageable if nothing else goes wrong. Hear me out. Yes, there is a tip that will be missing. But once the cane border is applied, I have a feeling most, if not all of it, will get covered up by the border. The rest could just be filled in with solder without being terribly noticeable. Or I scrap half a sheet of glass because of that one little tip. I'm all for wasting glass just for experience sake, but this feels super excessive. What would you do in this situation? Immediately start from scratch or keep it? One thing that's really interesting to me is the power of having no F's to give when working with glass. Before the snaggletooth incident, I was anxious not to break anything, but now I'm scoring, grossing, and biting chunks off without a care in the world because I've got nothing to lose. If it breaks more, oh no, I'm already mentally preparing to start from scratch. And with this lack of concern, I believe your true potential as an artist comes out. You become bolder, more daring, and whether you believe you can do it or not, you now don't care whether there's a safety net to catch you, and you just do it. Most of the time, it works out. Damn, slow-mo. And that's a really cool spot to be in. If you're not confident in your grossing abilities as a stained glass artist, I highly encourage you to put in some practice on scrap glass. Just draw random shapes and cut them out. Not only does this save you a ton of time when grinding, but it also makes you less dependent on super expensive tools like ring saws. Thank you so much for watching. Running out of time. Okay, bye!